athletes, particularly football players, are 10 times more likely to be infected with MRSA or staph than the general public. Ian Williams was a rising defensive star in pro football, but while hospitalized for what should have been a routine procedure, he contracted a career-ending infection.
In 2016, I happened to have an injury in my ankle. There were definite times that, I thought I was going to lose my leg or lose my life. Having that talk with the doctor that, there's going to be certain changes that you're going to have to make. You're never going to be able to resume your life as you knew it before.
I don't know of a coach, trainer, or sports medicine doctor who isn't committed to player safety. I naturally assumed the locker rooms, facilities, and equipment my teammates and I used were safe, but they weren't then, and they aren't now.
I was a 26-year-old kid who just finished football season, was in peak prime condition of his life. Why is this happening to this kid? Pathogens are so dangerous because you can't see it. You don't even know that these things are inside of you trying to invade your body. Unfortunately, I won't be able to play any type of sports at a competitive level like that ever again.
Many athletes have had their careers impacted because of an infection from skin-to-skin contact or as a result of some procedure that they've had within a hospital because of an injury from the field.
The CDC warns that fabric breeds and spreads life-threatening pathogens like staph and MRSA and other sources of infections and sickness.
The overuse of antibiotics has led to a global crisis. An effective way to address this problem is to prevent infections.
What if they could transform every uniform, practice jerseys, jogs, socks, sports bras, towels, into germ killers, infection fighters, and tenacious protectors of their athletes' safety?
Over the past couple years, more and more studies have been coming out showing that textiles spread disease. The way SilvaClean works is that it applies silver ions with a positive charge to fabrics.
Silver ions are clinically proven to kill 99.9% of most pathogens and are safe enough for babies.
At the time, I felt like I was robbed. My career was taken away from me. Playing football is something that I always wanted to do. I did it, but now I'm on the other side where I can help people. So this doesn't happen to any other athlete or any other person.
We believe player safety is critical, and we're excited to be addressing infection one player at a time.
Do me a favor. Share this with your medical teams, coaches, and leadership. Career-altering, life-threatening pathogens can be defeated.